Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is Career Counseling Module 1. Today's topic on career counseling is a very important topic. Our parents tell us the success stories of other students. They want us to become an engineer, a pilot, or choose some other career. On the other hand, we have our own expectations. We too want that the expectations of parents are met, and we also want that we are also in a position to fulfill our own expectations. Sometimes we do not agree with the career chosen by our parents. In that case, the parents may ask us in which career we would like to go for. Sometimes we do not have answer regarding the career option. So it becomes a big question for us which career we should choose. Mostly we take the decision regarding the career or job on the basis of what our parents say, what is the current trend in the market, what our friends are doing, what our relatives say, which university is nearby, and where we can easily get admission, and in which course we can get admission easily, and in which career or job we will be in a position to get enough salary. Though we take into account these many factors, though there are many factors which affect our choosing of the career, but many times we do not understand that whether we have the skills, abilities, passion, or the educational qualification which may be required for the particular career or job which we want to become. Sometimes we are uncertain about the career which we should choose because there may be many career options, but we are uncertain because we have inadequate knowledge, or there is a lot of societal pressure on us to choose a particular type of career. In such type of circumstances, we can use the services of a career counselor who can help us in deciding the particular career which will be best on the basis of our skills, aptitudes, strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions. Now, in this course, we will discuss that career counseling is a guidance or advice which is given by the professional person so that we are in a position to achieve our career goal. Career counselor takes into consideration our skills, our passion, our values, our strengths, our weaknesses, while giving us the guidance regarding the best career option. If we are uncertain or we are not in a position to decide about our career, we can avail the services of a career counselor. A career counselor is generally a person who has the relevant educational qualification in the field of psychology, social service, education, or other related field or career counseling. Career, the decision regarding career is one of the most important crucial decisions of our lives, because if we choose a career or a job which is not according to our skills and strengths, we may ultimately feel job stress and dissatisfaction. There are normally certain factors which affect the choosing of our career, such as what the family says, what the our relatives say, what our friends are doing, and so on. We often see that some individuals change career. They may have to change career because they are not satisfied with their current job, or they may be unable to find a suitable job in spite of the fact that they have sent resumes 100 times. A person may also like to change the career because he is feeling burnout, or he the job which he is doing at present is causing a lot of stress to him. A care We can hire a career counselor if we want to change our job, or if we are in the initial stages of deciding about our career, or we want to change our job as our interests have changed. Then we have to decide whether we should go for per visit career counseling, or we should opt for package career counseling. The students will understand that per visit career counseling has the benefits such as flexibility and money saving, whereas if we have to use the services of the career counselor for a long time, we should go in for package career counseling. The students will also understand that we can find a career counselor through online search, that is, we can search online through Google, through Bing, or there are many websites which provide us the list of career counselors. We can also seek the help of our relatives, friends, or other persons who might have used the services of a career counselor. Then there are many times when our family circumstances are not good. That is, someone in our family is suffering from some mental health issue or physical problem, or our some of our family member such as wife is doing some service, and in that case what we should do, the students will understand that in such cases where there is the family circumstances that there is more need of our physical presence at home, then in such cases we can opt for not going on promotion to an outside station. Then we will also understand in a very few lines about the career counseling process, which involves knowing the client, what is his educational background, what is his health status, what is his family background, what are his likes, dislikes, what are his skills, what are his weaknesses. Then the career counseling process also involves listening to the client. What are his dreams, aspirations, goals, what he wants to become in life, who are his role models. Career counseling process also involves identifying the blockers. That is, what are those points which are preventing the client from achieving his goals, and on the basis of all the information gathered by the career counselor devises a plan so that the client can achieve the career goal. In short, you will find this course very useful, and you will understand the concept of career counseling in a very easy language. In this chapter, we will only have a bird's overview of the career counseling concept. From this course onwards, that is from the next course, we will learn about the career counseling process in much wider detail. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.